Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to go get my eyelashes done for the first time in a long time, and especially this is going to be like the first service I get after all this COVID and coronavirus stuff has been going on. We have been lucky in my area that the number of cases have not been extremely high, but of course we've all still been quarantining in place and doing what we're supposed to. Go ahead and just put on a quick little face, just a little bit on my face. Put a foundation real quick, probably just to even out my skin a little bit. It looks a little splotchy. I have my eyebrows on, but those will probably be smudged off too. So go ahead and throw these two on. I've been mixing these two together because this is sort of not the right shade. This is a little too tan for me right now. Together, I'm not wasting any products, so let me go ahead and put that on my face real quick so I can get ready to go, because I think I have to leave here in like 10 or 15 minutes. This is also a face that I do when I'm just running errands or I don't want a lot of makeup on. I usually don't even do my eyebrows this defined, but I was running errands this morning. I had to go to the store and all that, so these are brows from this morning, which is why they look a little shiny. Your girl sweated those out. But I decided I would just go ahead and keep them since I'm going to probably have them rubbed off anyway. I'm not going to redo them just to have them, you know, wiped off. So, yeah. I'm using my hands. Hands are a good tool to use, especially if you're not good with brushes or not super familiar with brushes. I'm not going to put anything, of course, on my eyelids because I'm getting ready to get my lashes done. So, avoiding those areas. So that is it. You can see that evened me out just a little bit, just enough. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put on just a little bit of blush and contour, and I think that's gonna be it. I probably will come back to the house afterwards and just sort of fix my face up a little because I have a few more errands I need to run today. That is all she gonna do. Like, that's it. But I think it's by Kiss, and it's just a sort of like a bronzer, and I've been loving this just in place of using like contour and all that. It's super easy to wear. It's super lightweight. It just gives my skin like a golden kiss. And it doesn't transfer very well, which is good because I've been wearing this under a mask. So all the products that I've been using lately on my face have been mask friendly because like I said, work at a hospital and we have to wear masks all day. I do have a few mask tutorials. If you guys haven't seen those yet, I'll link those up there so you guys can check them out. Not to brag or anything, but your girl was in the Washington Post. I was in the Washington Post for these, you know, mask tutorials. Absolutely amazing experience. So excited to be able to have that done, interviewed, and they just, you know, asked me my opinion on wearing masks and makeup. Probably the highlight of my makeup career so far. Absolutely excited about that. That is about it. Just gonna go ahead and blend that out a little bit on my forehead. And sorry, I'm going so fast, but I'm running out of time. And legit, this is usually how I put my makeup on in the morning anyway, because I'm always sort of running late for work. I have, you know, cats to feed in the morning and all kinds of foolery. So yeah, so this is what I'm doing in the morning to get ready to leave. Oh, for my blush, I've been using the Rose All Day by Femme Couture. Also, another blush or product that doesn't transfer a lot. This is super, super light though. You can build it up. I'm not gonna build it up too much today because I don't have a lot of makeup on the rest of my face. So just a little color on my face. So that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting dressed, and I will meet you guys in the car. I look so bald-headed, my gosh. Okay, everybody, well, let's go this way so we're in the light, so we're pretty.
It's better. Hold on, let me take the mask off.
So I have made it over to get my lashes done, and this is Naja. So she's gonna be taking care of me today. Yes. So we're gonna go ahead and just do, I'll probably just record a few of her, you know, putting on the lashes, and then we'll leave her alone for the rest of the time, let her work.
All right, sounds good.
All right. Okay, so now she's just combing my eyelashes up out of the way to make sure that they're all going in the same direction. We did wash my eyelashes before this process, so yeah, this is just her making sure that my little baby lashes are combed out of the way. Now, this process is called Lash Tabbing, so she's using mink lashes, and she is going to be placing these under your eyelash, so sort of on your waterline. I wouldn't suggest this lash process for somebody who's not used to wearing lashes. You can see the lashes, if that makes any sense, when you are looking around, and they are a little heavier and bulkier. But yeah, if you are a pro at wearing lashes, then this is definitely a technique that I would recommend you guys try. Okay, so you can see that the process goes pretty quickly. She's using these mink clusters, and I think the process took maybe 30 minutes or so for both eyes. So yeah, she's just finishing up, and now she's going to start on the other side. Again, she's just placing these clusters sort of on my waterline or my tight line right under my lashes. So these sit not like regular false lashes where they sit on top of your eyelash, but these sit under your eyelash. And I know for people who are not familiar with this, it looks crazy, but believe me, it was painless. You really can't even feel the lashes once she put them on. And yeah, so I know it looks a little crazy, but it really isn't. So I am done. Look how pretty those look. Ooh, I got lashes like hers. But make sure to link all her socials in the description box below. So if you guys are in the area, you can book with her.
Yes, I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you for the support.
I know, girl. Got it. When you're doing good work, you got to be supported.
Thank you so
I
much.
will definitely be making sure to book with you again. So.
Well, thank you. I'll see you in 2 weeks.
Okay, so I went ahead and refreshed my makeup up, put on some big girl hair. You guys can see how my lashes look. I absolutely love them. She's absolutely amazing and beautiful. So thank you again, Naja, for doing my lashes. Definitely will be contacting her and getting them done probably on a regular basis. Didn't take very long, super comfortable, and yeah, I love the finished lashes. She did have a style that was a little less dramatic than these, and then she had super dramatic lashes, but I figured the in-between would be good. Absolutely love the way they look. If you guys have had these kinds of lashes done, comment below and let me know how you guys like them. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.